to all our lovely people out there who want to become professional forex traders like OON-POOINTT FX. We're also a forex trading academy. Right now, what we're going to show you is to open a broker. Right, that will help you to have access to the financial market. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this link, which will be provided in the description of the video below. You copy it and you open your Chrome browser, preferably what's Chrome. Right now, you paste the link in there and make sure you have a working Gmail account. Okay, the link will automatically send you to the broker's website for you now to register as a first timer. The next stage for you to do is click on register. And before you do that, make sure you are on the create an account section. Okay, over here, then you select your country. So if you're in Ghana, you just place in Ghana. Then you now place in your email address. Then the next thing is to place in your password. So you're going to create your own password. So make sure your password satisfies all these requirements below. Now, if you are not a US citizen, you have to check this box that you declare and confirm that you are not a citizen or a resident of the US for tax purposes. Then you select continue. Now, when that happens, you can decide to save your password or you can decide to ignore that action. Now, when you are done, you'd have to close this tab and now come and click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you have to place in your email address together with the password and select continue. Now, remember, you'll be sent a confirmation or an email that you've opened an Exness account for the first time over here. Perfect. Now, the next thing you have to do is to complete your profile. The next thing you have to do is to confirm your email address by selecting Get Started Now. They'll send you a verification code to your email address. The broker will now send you an email verification code, which you'd also have to copy and place it in the boxes. Now your email has been confirmed. The next item is to confirm your phone number. And you select continue. They'll send you a code via SMS, which you would also have to place in the boxes here. Take note that when the code doesn't arrive, you would have to select get a new code and make sure you do this process only twice. All you need to do is to be very patient as the code will be sent to your phone. We have the code as 877644. We've confirmed the email address and the phone number. The next thing is to place in your profile information. So you select complete now. Right, make sure the first name and the last name tallies with the name on your ID card or your national ID card. Then the next thing you're supposed to do is to just complete a survey. When you come here and they ask you, how did you hear about Exness for the first time, you can just open your answer and select OON-POOINTT FX. So this is how we spell the OON-POOINTT FX. And you select continue. Then you check all these boxes. You select submit. Then you are now all set. So you confirmed the data use agreement. Now we have the passport, we have driver's license, we have the ID card. So just select the ID card. If you also have the passport, you select the passport. So now with the ID card, what you have to do is to just take a front photo of it and a back photo of it and just upload it. So here you select the front of the document, which is the front of the ID card, and the back of the ID card. And when you're done, you select what? Submit. And that is all for opening the broker. So in our next video, we're going to look at how to open an account within the broker.